Hello everyone friends, my name is Igor. I've been trading binary options for over 12 years. Today I'll show you my trading session with the broker Quotex. We're trading on support and resistance levels, 5-minute expiration, $30 bet amount, and let's get started with the analysis. Let's take a look at what's happening on the charts where we can open trades at this very moment, and I hope there will be signals. Yes, British pound yen. I am going to open a new long position here. It is hitting a support zone at this local minimum, which is most likely. And we'll wait for the price to increase here. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Let's try to open a short position. Local maximum. British pound, Australian dollar. Trade for an increase. Support zone. And it's also possibly a local minimum. Euro, British pound. Let's try to open here too. I'll open a short position. The current market price was clearly hovering within the resistance zone. Trade for a decrease. Australian dollar, Swiss franc. Well, let's try to open a short position. A resistance zone is present, waiting for the price to drop. In principle, so far, 5 trades. That's not enough, of course. I'd like more, but what can you do if there aren't many signals? Euro-Canadian, let's try to open. I'll open a short. We have a local maximum and a resistance zone. Well, 6 trades is already something. So far, only Aussie-Canadian is in the red, but the loss is small. And the price can return very quickly. The zone is clearly visible here. I'll probably open an additional trade, expecting that both trades might close in the black. Indeed, on the 5-second chart, it's perfectly clear that the price reverses from the same zone. Most likely, someone is selling a lot here. But unfortunately, I can't confirm my theory. Then again, of course, there's always a chance the trade will close at a loss. So in any case, risks must be calculated in advance. But I believe there's a high probability the price will go lower here. I'll also duplicate the Australian dollar, Swiss franc. By the way, the trades have started to reverse. That's not very good for me. End of the hour. It's not news, it's just the closing of either funds or banks. Yes, I forgot about that a little bit. Someone's workday has ended. These movements will end abruptly now, so it's no big deal. The market will return to normal. Well, my trades have been in the black so far, at least in the profit zone. How they'll close, I don't know yet. And basically that's it. The impulse is likely over, and the price should return to normal now. The trades are already starting to go into the red here. Not serious. British pound yen, the first trade. I will close at a loss after all. I thought the price would return after the impulses, but no, it didn't. Well, the first trade is in the red. 8 trades were opened in total, but now profitable ones should start appearing. Aussie-Canadian. The first trade is in profit, the second one might be in profit too, if there aren't any sharp price changes. Basically in profit. I should come out ahead by the end of this trading session. British pound Aussie is also in profit for now. There was also momentum. The price also played out its increase. And everything's fine here so far. Euro British pound. It'll be a shame here, of course, if the trade closes at a loss, but there's nothing I can do about that. Yes, a loss. Aussie dollar Swiss franc. 10 seconds, the lower trade. Well, it looks like everything's not bad. Yes, the trade closes in profit, and 3 trades remain. Euro Canadian will close in profit. Half a minute left here. And the other trades seem to look like they'll close in profit too. I'll speed up the video for you and come back when the trades start closing. The trade closes in profit, 2 trades left. Aussie Canadian and Aussie dollar Swiss franc. Aussie Canadian is in profit, Aussie dollar Swiss franc will also close in profit in 40 seconds. There's a steady price drop here. On the 5-minute chart, it looks like this. We entered right at the very top. Well, this is our second trade, at least on this asset. The first trade, let me remind you, also closed in profit. Aussie dollar Swiss franc also closes in profit. And that's great. 8 trades during the session, and 6 of them closed in profit. In a small profit, I came out. That's all from me, friends. If you're interested in how I find entry points on a clean chart, there are links to educational materials in the description. Go check them out, read, and improve your trading skills. And of course, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave comments. Happy trading to everyone. Bye for now.